What up, trappers? We are back. We have another project with the Jag. It has been so hot lately you can't get out here during the daytime and work. You'll just cook. But this one is actually for the daytime. We are fixing the climate control, the heater control valve in the Jaguar. So let's check it out. Justin's here with us tonight, hanging out, giving us a hand. We got our lights down in here. This thing is what we're replacing, and it rests all the way. I don't know if we can see it from here, but it rests all the way in the bottom of this. We'll show you. We went ahead and got it out. We got it worked up here to the top. As you can see, well, maybe you can't see. As you can see, it's really corroded. It's bad. So hopefully replacing this will make the AC work. We have the new part here, came in from O'Reilly's. This is one we're going to install. 150 bucks. I don't think it's a bad deal, especially if it makes my AC work now and it blows cold. So we're going to take these clips, all three of these off. There's 3 hoses on here. There's one here on this back side. We're going to work them down with channel locks. And then I'm going to take one hose off at a time and then replace it. And on the new one, we're just going to put some Vaseline around the nipple where it goes, so hopefully it'll go back on easy. We get it back down in there and get this all done. But that's what we're doing out here tonight, guys. Hopefully we can get the AC going in the Jag and keep things cold and breezy, ride around with the tents up looking gangster. So that'll be it. Thanks a lot, Justin. Thanks for having us out here, helping us, giving us a hand. He's always a good guy to have around. Zero's out here hanging out with us tonight, keeping an eye on things, letting us know every cat in the neighborhood when it's close. So that's what he's up to. Bug's out here in the trap shack. He's watching
Fast and Furious Spy Racers.
There you go. That's what he's watching on Netflix on the tablet. So we're all just hanging out. That's what we're doing on the night of 4th of July, but it's the morning, I guess, because it's 10 after 3 a.m. So we're gonna get this done and we'll get back with you guys. Alright, trappers, we have the new valve in. It's installed. Let's check this out. Alright, guys, as you can see, let's see if I can zoom in down here, right where that light is. We'll zoom in a little more. You can see the new one in there. That's it. It's installed, and that's good to go. It actually wasn't too bad. We just pulled it straight up through here. I took this little vacuum tank off. Let's get zoomed back out. We took this little vacuum tank off, and this hose, this little vacuum line going in there. Gave us a little extra room. We pulled it up here, slipped it right back down in, no problems. The AC still does not work. Over here, easy. Over here on the very bottom, you can see the AC clutch, and it doesn't engage on its own, but I was able to get it to engage. I came over here, and this relay right here seems to be the clutch relay. So what I did is I took this little wire here and I touched it to the 2 pins together to make the clutch engage on its own. It still wasn't able to take a charge, so I believe maybe my compressor is bad. So that's what I'm going to work on, guys. That's going to be one of the things that we look into in one of the upcoming projects. I'm going to have this relay tested to make sure that it's good. I'm almost certain that it is. I'm going to do a few more tests with that, and we will probably honestly just be replacing the compressor, clutch assembly, the whole 9 yards. So that's going to be something we find out about, check out, look into. But that's what I did. Still no AC, blows cold air. That did help quite a bit. That was a good touch there. So that's where we're at on the Jag and the AC project. I'm going to get the part out here and show you the one that we took off. So here, guys, in this box is the one that we took off. Let's get it out of the box here, see if we can get a look at it. As you can see, it's all rusted and corroded. This part, even though that it didn't fix my AC problem, it was still bad, so it would have been part of the issue. So I'm glad we got this out of there, got that replaced. It's just going to go back in the box. It's not good, guys. It's the valve for the climate control, heater control valve, that sort of thing. It's just got a plug that plugs in there. The two returns, one for each side of the vehicle, and then that one would be the inlet from the reservoir or the radiator, wherever that comes from. But it only had one bolt in it right here. Came out real easy, went back in pretty easy. So that's what we did there with the Jag. Jag's got a new climate control valve, whatever. So that's that. We're going to look into a little more, maybe see if it's the compressor, that sort of thing. Maybe get the relay checked, just to double check to make sure that the relay is good and functioning like it's supposed to. And we'll keep you guys tuned. So if you're here just watching the video, go ahead, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.